My name is Anne Griffiths. I'm originally from Ireland and I've lived in Wales for the last 15 years and my first language is English.
Hywel Griffiths o Penagros yn Sir Gar a Cymraeg Uniaeth Gyntaf. Rwy'n byr o Anne, mae dau blant y fi, efeilliau dwi nhw, Cara ac Eflam. Maen nhw fewn 5 mis nesaf. Pwy chi'n meddwl licio mwyaf? Fi'n gwybod pwy chi'n licio mwyaf.
My husband's a fluent Welsh speaker and the girls speak both languages fluently.
Dim ond un yn awr, oce?
Done deal. Un then. From day one, when they just started speaking both languages, it's almost like they just learnt it by osmosis. I mean, I think it's amazing that at their age that they can speak 2 languages. And I think it's the best time to learn a language. Not that they actually really learnt it, they just knew it, as it were.
Wel, jyst yn naturiol I fi siarad nhw'n Gymraeg a hi wrth gwrs siarad nhw'n Saesneg. Beth oed yw bod hi wedi pigo siw gymaint o Gymraeg lan nawr, dim ond yn gwrando nhw fi'n siarad yn nhw. A mae'r plant, of course, yn siarad Cymraeg, ond maen nhw'n ffili gweud llawer bod hi ddim yn deall. So mae lle bod nhw'n gael sgwrs dy gilydd, ond dwi'n ddim yn meddwl bod ei mam ddim yn deall nhw. Oeddi ti'n meddwl bod da trwy'r amser?
Ydw.
Oeddi ti'n siŵr?
I dau o ti.
Y ddoi o ni? Oce. Da iawn.
Ti gallu helpu fi?
Wel, fi'n credu allai helpu ti allan.
They don't really think about the fact that they actually speak 2 languages. They just seem to flip from one to the other. When Hywel and I are both here, he'll say something in Welsh to them and they'll answer him in Welsh and I'll say something in English and they'll answer me in English. Or sometimes they'll make a comment back to Hywel about what I've just said, but they'll say it in Welsh. So they just have this total interaction with both languages.
Try
and keep them in the same place.
Mummy, can you help me do the class? And these little things too. Dyma oednos hwn. Dyma oednos hwn.
Dim wrth yn?
Ti'n gwneud fe
Maybe they need to be that way.
Dwi'n mynd I neud?
Ti'n gallu copio fe?
Oce.
So actually her Cinderella's dress is supposed to be blue.
Sa'n gwybod?
Yeah, glass.
Dod yn nhw yn ysgol meithrin Gymraeg, yn Cylch, a oedd hwnna'n ardderchog, mae'n rhaid cyfadde. Ond nhw'n siarad Cymraeg beth bynnag, ac os nhw'n cael Cymraeg dy fi'n tŷ, ond wellodd I Gymraeg nhw 100% siwr nhw'n cael addysg yn Gymraeg hefyd, dim ond clywed yn tŷ wrth o fi.
It's definitely an advantage to be learning languages when you're young. And I think it gives you a good grounding then to learn other languages as you go through school. What colour is Tigger? Is he orange and black?
Yeah, he's orange and black. And Mummy, we don't have black. That's... Look.
Pwy yw hwnna, de?
Brown.
Brown, o ie, ti'n iawn hefyd.
But this is brown.
Pwy lliw ti moyn?
Dear.
Allen ni ddim rhoi gormod o glod beth I fi wedi gweld mor bellad am safon yr addysg maen nhw'n gael yn yr ysgol Gymraeg maen nhw'n mynd I. Fi'n credu bod ar y athrawon maen nhw'n gwneud job fendigedig. Maen nhw'n rhoi 100% a allai byth a gweud digon amdano nhw am yr plant maen nhw mor hapus na.
You don't have a cat, do you?
No.
Oh. Favourite cake?
Na, magi plant yn dwyieithog yn rhywbeth naturiol, byddwn ni ddim wedi meddwl siarad Saesneg oedden nhw'n unan. Bydde fe'n annaturiol I fi wneud ni. Pam geithon nhw I ni, fi wastad wedi siarad nhw'n Gymraeg.
Ti'n gwybod eto?
Ti'n gwybod eto?
If anybody asked me, should I send my children to Welsh primary school, I would say yes. I think it's a huge benefit to them now and also in the future.